Was windy today. This was the view from our Surfline camera of Pismo Beach. Let's take a look at some of the photos you guys sent us using hashtag #BeOnKSBY. This is Larry's view out in Morro Bay. Here's a nice shot in Pismo Beach. We'll take your photos on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Current temperatures now in Paso Robles, 52 degrees, 52 in San Luis Obispo, 58 in Santa Barbara, and 50 in Vandenberg. Our 24-hour temperature change shows a few areas still a little bit cooler than this time yesterday, about 5 degrees cooler out in Shandon and 2 degrees cooler about 5 degrees cooler in Paso Robles and 2 degrees cooler in Shandon. Temperatures are going to continue to cool off again tomorrow, and winds are going to continue to be pretty gusty tomorrow as well. This is a look at some of our peak wind gusts recorded across the Central Coast today. Refugio area recording gusts around 47 miles per hour. 52-mile-per-hour gusts recorded in Gaviota and 47-mile-per-hour gusts recorded near Lompoc. 28-mile-per-hour gusts in San Luis Obispo today and 37-mile-per-hour gusts near TV Towers Road. Winds right now still pretty active in some parts of the Central Coast. 23-mile-per-hour winds in Paso Robles right now, 6 miles per hour in San Luis Obispo and 19 miles per hour in Vandenberg. Now we are tracking pressure gradients increasing tonight, and that's bringing some really gusty winds along the Santa Barbara County South Coast, continuing on late tonight into early tomorrow morning. We do see things calm down slightly for much of the Central Coast as we're heading into early tomorrow morning. Here's a look at 6 a.m. Sunday. We're at 7-mile-per-hour winds in Paso Robles, San Luis Obispo, and Santa Maria. But you can see here there's still plenty of activity along the Santa Barbara County South Coast and out on the water as well. Then as we get closer into the middle of the day tomorrow, winds start picking up again. Potentials for some more advisories out there. We see wind speeds increase not just along the coast but also in some of our interior valleys tomorrow evening. And then by 11 p.m. tomorrow, it looks like things calm back down except for the South Coast, where it looks like wind activity is still upwards of 30 miles per hour. Wind speeds at that hour about 15 miles per hour in Paso Robles and 19 miles per hour in Santa Barbara. Now, as of right now, the only wind advisory that we have is a gale warning. That's in all of our outer waters across the Central Coast. Potentials for combined seas of 11 to 13 feet. A small craft advisory hugging the coastline of much of San Luis Obispo County. Potentials for gusts up to 40 knots, so do keep that in mind if you're planning on heading out on the water. Now, if you go early in the morning, you might experience some coastal fog. We have seen that marine layer make its return late tonight, but we are expecting it to drift off the coast as we're heading into early tomorrow morning. We are expecting plenty of sunshine, but then the fog and cloud coverage does make its way back to some of our coastal areas late tomorrow night, so do keep that in mind. If your plans take you out on the road late tomorrow night, you might experience some fog, but then we are expecting some sunshine on Monday as well. So forecast for tomorrow, temperatures continuing to cool down. 81 for your high in Paso Robles, 67 in San Luis Obispo, 63 in Santa Maria, and 65 in Lompoc. Down the coast in Carpinteria, it's looking like 67 degrees, 72 in Santa Ynez, and 70 in Los Alamos. In the 5 cities in Nipomo, we're tracking 65 degrees, 66 in Arroyo Grande, and 65 in Pismo Beach. In northern San Luis Obispo County and Avila Beach, 63 degrees, 57 in Morro Bay, and 58 in Cayucas. So our extended forecast shows tomorrow is the last cool day for the next couple of days. Temperatures are skyrocketing back up, even going to be back into the 90s for areas like Paso Robles by Tuesday. You can check out our 10-day forecast on our app in the App Store.